The purpose of this program is to demonstrate some of the critical factors concerning the body in water and their significance when developing treatment techniques. These factors will first be demonstrated by a symmetrical, able-bodied person, after which some of the applications will be shown in treating two handicapped persons. It must be realized that the body in water is reacting to the element that surrounds it. The reaction is therefore very different to that of the body on land.
When the body is lying in water in this position, it is unconscious of the feeling of gravity and is responsive only to tactile stimulation. First, I hold under S2, and this is a balanced position. By holding under T11, we see the feet drop to 15 degrees and stay. I return the hold to S2. By holding underneath the shoulders, we will cause the feet to drop to the vertical. Working from S2 down the body, if I hold at S2, I have balance. If I hold just above the knee joint at the flare of the femoral condyle, I will get hip flexion. This can be corrected by tactile stimulation of the spine. The hips must be held in position. By moving round the patient, I can hold at the ankles. Now I must not hold at the side of the feet because this will cause abduction of the legs. Holding the patient with one finger underneath each ankle is holding symmetrically. The patient should hold their feet in dorsiflexion. By removal of one finger, we create an asymmetric hold. And the patient must now extend on the unsupported side to hold the rotation. By putting the finger back, we return to a symmetrical hold, and the patient must adopt a midline position. What is done on one side can be repeated on the other side. If the hand is held against the side of the ankle, then a totally different reaction occurs. Where we hold in the water is important.
Here, the symmetrical holding on a hemiplegic is demonstrated. Whenever we apply the symmetrical holding to a hemiplegic, the patient can also maintain his position.
And so by first holding on a symmetrical hold, he can maintain the position. First we hold on the one side, and this rotation he can obviously control. But when I change to the other side, he will have more difficulty. Stretch the arms, both hands in the water, hands in the water. By leaving the hands out of the water, he can control the rotation. Hands in the water.